hair is definitely a bob right now, I think. Well, I got it cut. I'll probably insert a video clip or something how it looks when I got it professionally done. So I'm about to go see my family tomorrow, so I decided, sorry, that's my dog. I'm about to go see my family tomorrow, so I decided, hey, I'm gonna wear my natural hair, but also I need to let my hair breathe because I just had braids and I'm definitely I had a wig on for the past couple of days, and you know, my birthday's coming up in. Alexa, what is today?
Today is Sunday, September 13th.
In 7 days, your girl's about to be 20 years old, okay? Period. Point blank, period. So, yeah, this is my hair after out the gel braids. I have some gel braids. This is like got to be all up in my hairline. But this is how long my hair is. I definitely got it cut. I gotta show y'all before and after pictures. So I definitely got a haircut. You feel me? Snip, 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 snip. It ain't nothing I couldn't. Okay. Anyway, so let's get into the video. My boyfriend's about to wash my hair, and I'm gonna come back with it freshly washed. Yeah, shampooed and conditioned, and then I'm gonna blow dry it. But yeah, y'all, your girl is about to. Oh, this is long. Where did you see this? We're about to go to the kitchen to go wash my hair. Hey guys, so Risen just finished washing my hair. This is what it looks like. Now, I feel like it looks really dry because we shampooed it twice. But I mean, this side still, okay. This side still looks good. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna section my hair off. Alright y'all, so this is my hair fully blow dried, blew out. This is the length it is right now. So yeah, so my phone's almost dead. So I'm about to go ahead and plug up my Babyliss Titanium Pro flat iron, and let's get right into the straightening portion. Alright y'all, so I was trying to record and do TikToks and let the phone charge, all of that. I can't. So I think I'm gonna do a side part. So I think I'm gonna keep my part on this side. And this is how this side is looking. I had to bump the ends to get it to have a little bit more flow. But now we're gonna work on this section. And then we'll be done. It really hasn't been taking that long, but let's finish it. This looks like a lot of hair. But it's really not a whole lot. Alright, y'all. So with recording and everything, it took, let me see that, an hour. An hour. Normally I can get it done a little bit quicker if I wasn't recording and if I wasn't making TikToks, but this is how the hair is looking. She's giving me very step into the rain vibes. So I'm gonna go in with some more of this. Now I'm going to go in and bump the ends. And yeah, I don't want to slick my edges down because if I do, they're just going to puff right back up. But this is the final product, y'all. I love it. I like this haircut, and this little bump fixed everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, straight hair. Okay, now how long this is gonna last, I'm not sure. It lasted 1 day, but I love how healthy it looks. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of what it was looking like before. I probably already inserted it, but yeah, y'all, it was not cute. So now I upgrade ya. So let's get a thumbnail. Alright, y'all, I put some baby lashes on. I'm not trying to be loud because the dog's asleep. Well, just staring at me, but Riz is back asleep. But yeah, y'all, I love how this turned out. Period. Okay, hair laid, hair healthy. Hello. Sweet Cam, period. Okay, period. Damn. Thank y'all for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next, and that's one, period.